Hi, I'm Nick Welsh with the Global Carbon Capture and Storage Institute. So it's been a very interesting session this morning. This is an institute that's set up very much in the international space, and I am curious. I certainly believe, as many of you have said, that there's a shared common interest there, but there is a backdrop of political, economic, and commercial interests as well. For that particular technology and an area, given we're very much around proving the demonstration phase of the technology, what insights do you have that you can share from the countries that you've been looking at and talking about? All the governments we've been referring to, with the exception of Brazil, are members of the Institute, together with a lot of non-OECD as well as OECD governments, major corporations, and some non-profit. So it's really, the question is, looking at that particular area, what do you see are useful insights for us to consider in dealing with the challenges that we have?
I can have a go at some of it. Firstly, I mean, CCS is a special case where innovation is never going to create demand by itself, which is different from pretty much all of the other low-carbon technologies. There ultimately will have to be government pull. And I think that an uncertainty over that ultimate government pull, it makes it even more difficult to incentivize private investment in innovation in that area. So I think that's a first important thing. The second is that different countries will have very different approaches to openness and to cross-border cooperation on demonstration of CCS and related technologies, IGCC in particular. You can look for, and different countries will have different capacities to mobilize the money that's needed to do these things. So you can look at the 3 different IGCC, CCS demonstration projects in China, and some of this is domestic technology, some of this is in cooperation with international partners and with access to international technology. So it's actually a fairly flexible approach with money available. That will, that as I understand, is generating already technology that may be demonstrated in the United States relatively soon. So you can also see that things moving in multiple directions. India, in contrast, has had a very closed approach to IGCC demonstration. You know, it's still just getting its first sort of 100 megawatt plus plant off the ground. 30